Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11E and let me share with you how to free up storage without removing apps. So first of all, I highly recommend to remove apps cache. So let's open the settings, and here in this left section, let's scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on all apps, and here we've got the list of all installed apps. And what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps and remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app, and removing cache will obviously release some memory. So simply open the app, then go to storage and cache, and here we've got no cache. So let me find the app which will actually have anything, so I can show you how to remove it. Here we've got the cache, so just tap on clear cache and your device will immediately remove it. And as I said, go through all of those apps, especially those which you're frequently using, so you will be able to remove the release some memory. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to go through your own photos and videos, because usually photos and videos are occupying the most memory in that kind of devices, and simply go and try to remove some duplicated files or those which are which weren't the best shot, etc., etc., and long videos, because they're quite large. Another thing which I highly recommend to do with photos and videos is to backup them. And I will not show you the full path, full operation of how to do it, because we've got a separate video where we explain how to backup photos and videos. I just wanted to mention that because not only you will be able to save your data in completely different place, so it will save it from from accidental loss, for example, or if your device will be damaged or stolen or whatever, you will still have the access to your backed up photos and videos. And at the same time, you will be able to remove them from the internal storage of your device, thanks to which you will release a lot of memory. Because I hope that you remember previously I've said that they are occupying a lot of it. And another thing which I highly recommend to do, which you can do in the device, is to check your downloads. Because let's be honest, usually we are downloading a lot of stuff and then we forget about it. So what I highly recommend to do is to simply go to files. You can use any kind of file manager. It could be this one from Google, it could be any kind of a third-party option. It's completely up to you. And go to the downloads, and here you simply go through all of those files and remove those which are not necessary. As you can see here in File Manager, you can also open different categories, like for example audio or documents, and this is what I also recommend to do, simply to go there and try to find the documents which you don't need and remove them, and thanks to which you will release memory. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.